What's the strongest pistol right here?
Strongest? I mean, you probably want a full size, which maybe probably like the CZ over here, the Canon.
If you dealt with right
The top one?
Yes.
Yeah.
I only do one round per group.
Alright,
You're
that's
welcome
fine.
to switch it out as much as you want.
Alright, that's fine.
That's cool. Wanna say something to the vlog?
Yeah, man, what's up,
50,
man?
100,
What's up?
50,
Yes, sir.
50.
We in range, man, where everybody is.
Here, man, your last name.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Oh, God. Everybody strapped. What's the
So,
carry
all
for
your
the day?
stuff's over there. Here's your rental. I'm gonna go ahead and throw you on
19X.
lanes 11 and 12, so you got a little room back there.
Okay.
Three mags with that. You know,
Make sure you have your eyes in your phone before you
carry it now out.
What's that?
Next time it's gonna be a Walter PvP.
Bet. Fuck ton. You take that home,
So you
too.
put a little bit.
Oh, I got a little stick in there, too. Let me hold it. Look at this nigga.
Yeah.
The fuck you think you is, nigga?
Feel like Rambo got that. Hey, what that little bit, man? What? The lube.
Thought you grabbed it.
Neither y'all grabbed the lube.
You ain't get the lube?
You didn't get the lube?
Go get the lube.
You missed the lube?
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
What you got? What this is?
Oh.
This shit hard. I like that trigger on it. Ain't looking alright.
I'm gonna do this again.
Gotta shoot that nigga in the head, man. Shot that nigga in his kidney. Look back. Got some lube.
He said I got it.
Yeah. You said what? You don't remember. How much that bit was?
What? Well, I got that bitch on big camera.
I'm finna say, you got it from Franklin. Oh, I
Yo,
know, I know
like,
it's
how
one.
much you want? $4.99?
540.
540.
That what I need right there. Hey man, that boy lubing it up.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Cornelius over here done goddamn shot 30 rounds already.
Did you shot down already?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you ain't gonna wait.
He couldn't wait. He didn't even give me no warning. He just started shooting.
It was I hate low.
Yeah,
Oh,
loaded.
that shit hard as you
Like, you won't never catch me just shooting for fun. What all that? Gotta load this bitch
I
back
don't
up.
like my AR.
Oh God. What he said? Damn. What he shooting for real? Got that big motherfucker. I can't even see him. Where you at?
Right here.
Oh yeah, I know he got that big one.
What did he say?
Why JK target so close? oh, who do you think he is? You think he think he a police? Oh shit. Is your safety? You know what you doing? I see some hoes. They all at the bottom. You shot that nigga all in his torso.
I'm just trying to get that.
Oh, that nigga lit that motherfucker up. Oh shit, he lit that motherfucker up. Oh, he missed.
with your boy.
Oh, you fucked that nigga up.
with your boy. Y'all look at it.
Oh shit, don't mess with
Quit playing
Cornelius.
with your boy.
that nigga ain't.
I don't shot a nigga in the dick.
No God. Oh, hold on, what that is? You hit it up? Oh, shit. Got it now. One good time. Or two good times.
That's all I need.
Two good times up top. Now let me tell you something. See this man right here? He want to vlog. He ain't recording shit.
Well, I can't vlog and be in like that.
What you see? You see how I'm doing it?
Hold on, so let me call you back about 30 minutes.
Oh, when I shoot,
Hold on.
Hey, just
somebody gonna hold this
send
motherfucker.
me the
This nigga.
I gotta hire me a cameraman.
Oh God. Hey, your cameraman can shoot.
That's what I need. I need a shooter.
Shooter.
Hey, how How many rounds is it? He said 75.
Shoot. I need to know about shot the whole damn game.
I'm talking about the AR book.
Oh, you got about a fuck ton.
I think it's about either 75 or 50.
Oh, hell no, it's more than 50. This is 30 clip.
Man, doing all the way back there.
Oh, God, I'm good to find back up.
I want to shoot that handgun.
Look at you, right? Look at you, right?
Bet. This nigga good. Did you do it at the prime? Or did you push up?
Where your what's my name?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Oh shit. Don't get no warnings. These niggas just start shooting.
Shoot.
Oh, something in there?
Nah, ain't nothing.
No, I'm finna say Cornelius. I'm finna go right here. I'm finna be right at the little motherfucker.
You want to shoot?
There you go, John. I got you.
Damn shit. I hit that nigga in the chin. I know that had. Ooh, we might get shot in the chin. Know that had to hurt.
I ain't put it in that boot.
I lit his ass up. Oh, no. They can't really goddamn.
You fat ass bullet, give him my number.
Hey, man. You might buy me a gun.
That sound like a shotgun.
Look at this shit.
Shoot. Like what?
All that.
Like what?
Roll on the back.
One just came up. That part, look, either put this part on your shoulder or put it on your arm.
Rhea. She got like she don't know what she's
Like,
doing. Pick it up.
There you go.
Hold it tight, alright?
Oh yeah, this is crazy. It'll be alright.
Like I get one of them.
Yeah.
Put about 10 on me now. Go like this.
You ready?
Hey, remember what I say though?
Yeah. Hey, I like it.
I already know it.
Nigga think he Rambo and shit.
And this one, you just shoot it. It ain't going. I got 30, man. I ain't gonna
Yeah,
get
that, he just, you got one more, eh? This yours? Yo, you wild. This nigga here. Might as well put it in the bag, man. Hey, one shot, gotta be headshot. Headshot. You got one bullet in the chamber. Hold on. Before you shoot, let the camera see what's on there right now. All right, so then what he working with, we want a head shot. We don't know if it's an extra one on there or not.
Hey, well, that's too far.
Ah, wait. Hey, that shit right there.
Hey, cause
That nigga hit the damn. Nigga hit the scoreboard.
I didn't record it.
Nigga, you didn't say nothing. You just started shooting.
That was a whole clip.
I want to do a whole clip. I want Bree to shoot this bit like
10 times.
1,000 times.
You gonna shoot it, Bree?
Come on, Bree. What the vlog?
I want my own.
Oh, she got her own target too.
Yeah.
How many bullets you got in there?
About 15.
Damn.
10, 15.
10, 15. What you about to do?
Damn, it be hot. Hold on.
Oh shit. Ejecto-cito, cuz. Oh, he got one with a scope on it. What that is?
Well, man, you already know what's going on, ball man. It's just like the one I got with a scope.
Got a scope on it. What you about to do, babe?
You know, I got that 4K on.
Is that motherfucker loose?
That 10K.
Damn. Let that
That
one.
first one is when it jammed, so we not gonna
No, we not
count.
gonna
Feel free.
We lit that motherfucker up.
Yup.
God damn. You wanna go get it? Hold on, let it lay down. You bring it back. You alright. See what you got.
On my birthday, I'm going to get that drink.
A word?
Yes, sir.
Man, they how a real nigga shoot. They how a real nigga shoot.
Hey, let's shoot at the same time. On you.
On me?
Y'all ready? Set. Go.
Okay, now if you want to be El Chapo,
I need thumbnail.
You ready?
Yeah.
Come to the end. Ready? You ready? Go. I still had one left, but that been one time. I had one left.
That means my trigger finger is a lot faster than this guy.
Mine too fast to keep getting stuck, you know what I'm saying? Anyway.
It's going better.
you need record.
Anyway.
Anyway. Let's see what these targets look like.
Yeah.
Shot my target. I'm lit mine up. I got two in the same spot right now. Hit that nigga in the chin again, hit him in the cranium.
Face up.
Yes, I ain't it.
In your face up.
Hey, who hit that scoreboard?
Oh, that's me right there. Yeah.
I want to shoot that motherfucker. It's the same.
It's the same thing.
I don't want to look through the scope.
Go ahead, yeah. It's so hard though. It got a beam on it and everything.
Scope look crazy.
I mean, it don't got a beam. It got an inside beam. Like, you can't see it on the outside.
I don't even know why you keep looking back like that.
Yeah, hey, show those young niggas, man. That boy say he can't pursue it. Hey. It's so hard to be a Jaguar.
Show me something. Go crazy.
It had to be somewhere in the body because those two been up there.
Nigga done jammed the gun. The fuck? Hold on. How you get it?
It's back.
I don't know what she done. That look like goddamn.
It's set.
He ain't gonna hit nothing.
That's all I gotta do, right?
What?
Pull this back.
Pull that back. Pull it. Did you pull it back? You gonna know it ain't gonna work if you can do it right.
I think you put it in the wrong spot. I'm sorry.
Is the safety on? Oh. There you go. You're right.
What? I probably was hitting all the way up there.
I can't remember.
You try to do. Hey man, I think you put more than 2 bullets.
Put that clip over.
That's all you gotta do, man.
This nigga about to kill himself. Put the gun out there. That bitch gonna pop right back down on
It's
you.
big and really keep getting stuck. Yeah, I'm gonna let them see what's on there right now. They see what's on there. Now watch. After I get done. I'm trying to see what this beam looking like, man.
That nigga think he playing Call of Duty.
Oh God.
Hello to my little friend.
Y'all see that? You should say freeze, monkey, and then just start
Freeze, monkey. Hey, check me out, gang.
Oh, look at that boy. Boy, look orange and dangerous.
Hello to my little friend. Gotta put that handshake.
You gotta go look. Oh shit! One bullet in the chamber. What are you gonna do with it? Nothing. God, freeze!
That nigga said,
What did he do, baby?
What y'all want to eat, man? I'm hungry.
Y'all big boys always hungry.
I'm trying to eat, don't eat again. Let me try, I might just spin.
Shooting out there.
Little headshots.
Warning shot right there, boy. Alright.
Thank y'all.
Y'all have fun? Kids?
Come on, let's take a trip down south. This that motion flow, but this motion different. We not talking about motion business. We not talking about that shit they pushing, the bullshit that they spitting. I can't buy the shit you selling. I'ma keep it real. Most you pussy niggas not even having. Go get 'em. Motion ain't about selling drugs. Motion